Good morning, students. Today we start the new lesson that is the matter in our surrounding for class 9th. That is the first lesson of the chemistry. The contents about this are the what is matter? Anything which occupies space and have mass is called matter. Everything in this universe is made up of material which is called matter. Kind over matter, printable blocks, etc. Everything we surrounding is known as matter. Matter is anything which occupy mass and space. You have to understand this well. Matter is anything which occupies space and have mass. Each matter is collection of lot of tiny particles. Each matter is collection of particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter are physical nature of matter. Matter is made up of particles. The particles of matter are very small. They are small beyond our imagination. You can see the size of the particle atom is the size is 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. Nucleus 10 raised to power minus 12. Proton, that is 10 raised to power minus 13. Nucleus here shown is about the atom, nucleus of an atom. And then electron 10 raised to power minus 16 centimeter. Quark 10 raised to power minus. Characteristic of particles of matter. Particles of matter have space between them. First characteristic of matter is particles of matter have space between them. Example, when we make tea or coffee, particles of one type of matter get into the space between the particles of other. This so that there is enough space between the particles of a matter. You can take the example of a, for example, if you take a glass of water in which if you put the two bricks of the two solid crystals of the ice, after some time you say the temperature of the water is changing, but it does not change the volume of the water because there is space between the particles. The ice cubes go into the ice cubes, take the space between the particles of matter. Particles of matter are continuously moving. They possess that we call the kinetic energy. Particles of matter are continuously moving because they have the kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of solid particles have very less, and then the particles of the liquid have a more kinetic energy than the solid, and the gaseous particles have, they are moving here and there, therefore they create a lot of space and they move faster. They possess that we call kinetic energy. At the temperature ranges, particles move faster. So we can say that with increase in temperature, the kinetic energy of the particles increases. Particles of matter attract each other. Particles of matter attract each other. Particles of matter have a force acting between them. This force keeps the particles together. The strength of this force of attraction varies from kind of matter to another. One kind of matter to another. States of the matter. Matter around us exists in three different states: solid, liquid, and gas. This you can understand well: solid, liquid, and gas. So you can see the particles of solid are so much closely packed and tightly bound with each other. Here the linings are shown here. The linings between the particles, and the particles of liquid are not so much, and the particles of the gases are take far away. And there is another state, Bose-Einstein, so there is another state of matter, that is the plasma. This also given in the NCERT books, you can study it. The solid have a tendency to maintain their shape when subjected to outside force. Solid have tendency to maintain their shape when subjected to outside force. Solids may breathe under the force, but it is difficult to change their shape, so they are rigid. Solid को क्या कर सकते हैं आप, उनको कितना भी फोर्स लगाएं तो वो ब्रेक हो जाएगा, लेकिन उसकी शेप चेंज नहीं होगी. एनीथिंग, कोई भी चीज जिसकी शेप ना चेंज हो, उसको हम रिजिड कहते हैं. Solids have a tendency to maintain their shape when subjected outside force. The liquids have no fixed shape. Liquid को आप जिस भी यूटेंसिल में डालेंगे वो उसी की शेप ले लेते हैं, बट हैव ए फिक्स्ड वॉल्यूम. लिक्विड हैव नो फिक्स्ड शेप बट हैव ए फिक्स्ड वॉल्यूम. लिक्विड टेक अप द शेप ऑफ द कंटेनर इन विच दे आर केप्ट. जिसमें भी आपको रखा जाएगा, जैसे एक गिलास वाटर में डालते हो तो उसका शेप गिलास की ले लेता है, या बकेट में हम पानी को डालते हैं तो वो उसी की शेप ले लेता है. द गैसेज स्टेट, गैसेज आर हाईली कंप्रेसिबल एज कंपेयर टू सॉलिड एंड लिक्विड. Because there is a why gases, here the question arises why the gases are more compressible than liquid and solid. ये क्वेश्चन आप नोट कर सकते हैं. why gases are more compressible than liquid and solid. Gases are highly compressible as compared to solid and liquid because there is a lot of space between the particles of them. उनके जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं उसमें बहुत स्पेस होता है, इसलिए वो क्या करते हैं, उसको कंप्रेस कर सकते हैं. मैटर चेंजिंग इट्स स्टेट, solid, liquid, gas, and then get another stage, enthalpy of the state. What is enthalpy? Enthalpy means disorder in the system of the particles moving here and there. That is the enthalpy. जैसे change होगी, state of the matter change होगी. जैसे solid, when we heat any solid, it may start melting. When we decrease the temperature, here you can understand it. When here, if we decrease the temperature of a liquid, it changes into solid. And if we increase the temperature of a solid, it changes into liquid. Then further, if we increase the temperature, it changes into vapor or in gaseous state. And if the low down the temperature of a gas, then it comes to the liquid state. There is that is the deposition and the sublimation. If a solid directly changes into gaseous state, that process is known as sublimation. Or if a gas comes to solid without changing into liquid, then it is called deposition. Effect of change of temperature. On increasing the temperature of solid, the kinetic energy of particles increases. तो टेम्परेचर को अगर हम चेंज करते हैं तो उस पर क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है, इसके बारे में तो ये आप देख सकते हैं कि जैसे भी हम किसी भी चीज का टेम्परेचर बढ़ाते हैं तो सॉलिड जो पार्टिकल हैं उनकी काइनेटिक एनर्जी बढ़ती है, और उसके बाद फिर क्या होता है, सॉलिड लिक्विड में चेंज होना शुरू हो जाते हैं. Due to the increase in kinetic energy, the particles start vibrating with greater speed. The energy supplied heat overcome the forces of attraction between the particles. जिस forces के साथ उनको आपस में bind किया होता है उस पे वो overcome कर रहे हैं. Energy supplied heat overcome the forces of attraction between the particles. The particles leave their fixed position and start moving freely. A stage is reached when the solid melts and is converted to liquid. The temperature at which a solid melts to become a liquid at the atmospheric pressure is called melting point. The temperature at which a solid melts to become a liquid at the atmospheric pressure is called its melting point. The melting point of a solid is an indication of the strength of the force of attraction between its particles. Therefore, different solids have a different melting point. Melting point solid की indication होता है, उसकी strength of the force of attraction between its particles show करता है. The melting point of ice is 273.16 Kelvin. That is the process of melting, that is change of solid state into liquid state, is known as fusion. The process of melting, that is change of solid state into liquid state, is known as fusion. The state of matter can be changed into another state by changing the temperature. तो आप किसी भी स्टेट को, सॉलिड लिक्विड गैस है, तो उसमें आज मैंने आपको एक ही टॉपिक पे कंसंट्रेट किया है कि उसकी स्टेज को आप चेंज कर सकते हैं बाय चेंजिंग द टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर. देन नेक्स्ट इज द इवोपरेशन. पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर आर ऑलवेज मूविंग एंड नेवर एट रेस्ट. जो पार्टिकल्स हैं वो क्या करते रहते हैं, मूव करते रहते हैं, वो कभी रेस्ट नहीं करते. तो at the given temperature in any gas, liquid or solid, there are the particles with different amount of kinetic energy. In case of liquid, a small fraction of the particles at the surface having higher kinetic energy is able to break away from the forces of attraction of other particles and gets converted into vapor. जैसे कि आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि हम किसी भी यूटेंसिल में बाहर पानी रख देते हैं, थोड़ी देर बाद वो अपने आप हीट लेके इवोपरेट होता है. दैट इज द फिनोमेना ऑफ इवोपरेशन. It depends on the temperature and humidity of the environment. The phenomena of change of liquid. Here you can understand this phenomena of change of liquid into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. तो बच्चों आज हम इसी टॉपिक तक इवोपरेशन तक ही अपना टॉपिक करते हैं और नेक्स्ट कंटिन्यू नेक्स्ट वीडियो में होगा। और 9th क्लास के बच्चों के लिए 4 days I will give the video and 2 days live classes I will take.